Welcome back, guys. So we have some chicken legs. We're gonna do some barbecue chicken legs on the Pit Boss today. So the rub that we're gonna be using today is we're gonna add some AP seasoning first, and we're gonna top it off with some barbecue rub. Now our sauce that we're using is from Lane's. I couldn't find the bottle. They sent me the big one and the little bottle to add it to it, but I can't find the little bottle because I love that sauce. So I put it right here. This is the Lane's barbecue kind of sweet, one of my top favorites. Other than the pineapple chipotle they have. Ooh, you guys haven't tried it, make sure you guys check that link in the description. So we have some nice, and we have a little bit of vegetable oil to add a little bit of binder so we can add our rub on it. Let's go ahead and add our binder to all these chickens here, legs. We've been doing, this is my third time doing chicken legs. Every time you do them, it's a learning experience. And so every time you do it, you learn, make some adjustments, or just trying out new rubs that you guys want to try. I saw Mr. Malcolm Reed add some of this AP rub and the sauce and the barbecue rub. And so I was like, man, that looks good. I would like to try that. We're gonna go ahead and add Killer Hogs AP. And so we're just gonna, just a little bit. So yeah, just doing just a little sprinkle on the top, just a little bit, just like that, get all around. We're not gonna go too heavy on the AP, a little bit too, just like that, a little bit of that. Last time I did one of these, it was with the Meat Church, holy cow. Now we're gonna go ahead and add some of this Killer Hog barbecue rub, get it all nice. And this one we can do a nice little heavy coat on that, all around our chicken. Yeah, all around, making it rain. Making it rain. Make sure we got all of it, all around. All right, so there we have it. Now we're gonna do the Pit Boss. We're gonna have it at 275 degrees. Now the internal temp of the chickens. Now this is where it gets a little bit more different than what it says, depending on what kind of chicken you're cooking. Now for the legs that are bone in, so chicken is 165. That's for the chicken. Now the bone ins, we like to take it up to 175. Now this is, every pit master does this. And I tried it at 175 and I thought it was better cooked than having it at 165. I just didn't like how it tasted at 165. It just felt like it wasn't done. 175 bone-in chicken. Put it in our Pit Boss. We're gonna let it ride till it hits 170. Then we're gonna go ahead and add our barbecue sauce and then leave it there for another 10 to 15 minutes. And it should be raising that temperature to 175. And this was a bad time doing the video when there's construction going about a house down. So apologize for that little humming sound you'll hear in the background, but they're doing construction. They've been going at it for at least a week. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Pit Boss. All right, our Pit Boss is at 275. We're gonna go ahead and put these bad boys in here. Just like that, and we'll be back when it hits 170 degrees to add our sauce. All right, we just checked our chicken. I mean, it's at 170, so we're gonna go ahead and add some of this barbecue sauce. And then we'll be back in another 15 minutes. It should be ready. All right. Let's take these bad boys out. They cooked for an hour and 45 minutes. All right, welcome back, guys. So before we get into this, have a quick recap of what we did today. right, so here we have it. Now we just want to make sure you guys get this right. The chicken legs bone in, normally we like it at 175. I've seen, I think some of the big ones even like to take it to 180, 185. So for me, 175 has always been right on the money. Sometimes I do go to 180, but those are the ones where I like to go for. Something you guys might want to consider that. At the 170 mark, internal temp is when we add the barbecue sauce. So you guys know we use the Killer Hogs AP, we use the Killer Hogs barbecue rub, great products from them. We use the Lane's barbecue sauce, the kind of sweet, also another really good barbecue sauce that I think you guys will really enjoy. And so let's go ahead and take a bite out of this because it looks really good. Also, I've been wanting to ask you guys, what background do you guys like the most? I've heard people like the old one. So this background is the new one, the old one is this one with the signs in the background. Let me know in the comments which one do you guys like the most. This one, new or old? Put a comment down in the description for new or old. And if you guys like the old better, we'll go back to the old. That being said, let's go ahead and give this a try because, man, it looks good. Man, this has great flavor. It's this combination, AP rub, then you add this barbecue rub. That is the perfect combination. Oh my God. And it just has a lot of flavor. Not overpowering, it's just right. Can't stop eating it. I hope you guys like this video. Remember, leave a comment what you guys want to see. What else you guys want to see? Let me know if this background works or you guys prefer the other one. This was amazing. Man, the more I do it, the better it comes out. Hope you guys like this video. Give us a subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.